Previously on Adrian's Pokemon Emerald walkthrough, we went to the Fortree city, town. I don't know what Fortree is, but we went there and we beat that gym on the first try. No Fs or once. And now we are on our way to, I don't know where that is next, but let's just go there. Oh yeah, hi. And I think yet again I said that I would start the live at a certain hour, or yes, I already missed the 8:30 time frame. Then I wrote that I was gonna do it at 9, quarter past 9, and it's not quarter past 9. But that's alright. Gives you more me, doesn't it? I don't know why it's lagging like this. I'm going at should be going at 60 FPS right now. That's a bit weird, but hey. Bugmania and Jeffrey would like to battle. I mean, there's not that much to do in Emerald, but I don't know, I feel like we still have a bit to go, weirdly enough. Sorry. I had ice cream today for the first time in a whole month, so I'm a bit gassy. Dun, 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 dun. Cars grew to level 37. Sup, bitch? What are you doing here? Shouldn't you be playing on your brand new Nintendo Switch? Blade. So yeah, it's not that I want to be done with Emerald. I love that game, I could play it without stopping, but when you know that there's an online version that you can do way more stuff in, and it's online, you can get every Pokemon. Oh, it's such a bro. I just said Bugmaniac, Jeffrey. Makes me think about something. Bugmaniacs. Rightly so, they're labeled as maniacs, because think about it, people who have bugs as pets in real life are pretty fucking crazy. But people who got big cats are backstabbing cunts. Good to see that I have all this stuff with me, despite why you still insist that we battle. Guys, hopefully next week we have that Netflix special of Tiger King. I'm seeing somebody, I just saw a post about it, my sister tagged me in that. Someone was commenting saying, I hope they give us a good ending with the tigers being set in the wild. And I'm here like, girl, you do realize it's not fiction. That's happening in real life. Whatever you hope, it's not gonna come out like this. Jesus. People are funny. Sana are beautiful. Also guys, KFC is doing delivery again. And I'm definitely finishing Emerald while on lockdown. Because now we're here until what, 4th of May or something? Something. I'm definitely gonna be here. That's more of me for you. And hopefully enough time for my mic and the webcam, not mic, I bought a headset, not a mic, right? For the headset and what? And the webcam to arrive, so it's easier for me to actually do these lives, because it's a bit tiring to use instead of a camera. Also, there's a video tomorrow. I did post only one teaser on my IG, so look out for that one tomorrow. But I don't know, I was watching it earlier after being done with shooting it. I was like, I feel like I don't have a sword anymore. But I think it's that all my power is in my hair. Of course, I lost. I'm holding stuff in both hands. Hey, Bug Maniac, you suck. You want to fight, lady? Yes, you want to. She was asking for it. Stop, have a good look at my precious Pokemon. Why did I need to make that voice? Beauty Jessica would like to battle. Beauty Jessica will not kick Leon. Dun 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 dun. What other moves I got? Quick attack, should do. Use feint attack. Not gonna do much. Is it? Burn that bitch. If I just call for Jesus on this Good Friday, well, I think I got a problem with my brain, because when you said that, the only thing I could think of was crazy. It was a crazy, dirty sex joke. So I think I got issues. Maybe I need Good Friday. Maybe I need to reinvent myself through prayer. That would be something for me, out of all the people. I was debating about something the other day. People were telling me that they should have me talk to a priest, and I was like, there are more chances that they would stop believing than me starting to believe. So yikes. I took it easy on you this time. It won't be that way next time. Sure, Beauty. I can call her Beauty, right? It's not like, hello. Again, as I said, I'm not gonna read out anything you're gonna write in this goddamn chat anymore. You already broke the bond of trust that we had. So now, suck it up. Mike can do one. Mike can fucking do one. Mike the Hunter, you mean? Because your last name can't be a verb, can it? Dun, dun, dun. Okay, we have to move out to Mount Pyre. Pyre. Can I cut? Yes. ACDC used cut. I hope there's a PC in the Safari. We won't visit the Safari. But do you have a PC? We do! Just so I can do something that you kids should not do at home, which is I'm gonna store Blaziken just so I can refill its PP. Yes, I know, I'm a terrible person. Sue me. I have no idea what you're talking about, sir. Well, lady, it's good that you don't have any idea. Because I would hate to say the word cunt on camera. Music in the Safari Zone is peaceful, bro. But I won't go there. Zero interest. Okay, together we're fearless. We'll demonstrate how tough we are. I was discussing with Jeremy for how many more episodes I would take for this walkthrough to be completed, and the pace at which I'm going, like 20, 25 easily. And plus I'm not using legendaries when I'm gonna go against the Elite Four, so a bit more. Muddy Water and Surf, do we both hit? I guess we do. I think they hit everyone, not sure. First beam that fainted. Diavolo use Surf, yeah, I think Blaziken is gonna faint. Nope. Nope, didn't hit. Great. We just have to finish that slacking before Dio falls asleep. Takedown, bitch. Should be enough. It was. Diavolo is hit with recoil, but it's alright, it's okay. Cause I told you, a level of concern and you walk down like you never heard. I blew it in front of my junior student partner. Happens. Another double battle, but let's make it count. A might here now, I bet. Ooh, a Shuppet. Shuppet? I'm gonna say Shuppet. Also, I do realize that I'm very... the sound, my voice might be very low. I'm sorry, I guess it's cause this mic is not a mic, it's the earphone, the headset. 100 years later, hey guys, this is EP40. Wow, 40. I don't imagine reaching 40, you know what I mean? But to be honest, yeah, could be more. I want everybody to see the Pokemon I've raised. And girls, this is why we men, send dick pics. We want people to see the Pokemon we've raised. Pokemon Emerald got the best sprites. Fire Red, that is Kanto, is trash. It sucks, I just hate Kanto. Diavolo use Surf. Hopefully he can kill both of them at once. It should be able to. Makota. I shared that post the other day, I think Jeremy saw it. It was someone asking, do you think the Pokemon say their name while they're mating? Bulba. Disgusting. Just plain disgusting. Tropius is dead. It's a good thing. I'm not gonna risk it because Shroomish can paralyze you with his hidden ability. Ooh. Shame on me. Shame on me, indeed. Shame on me. That was very funny. Bulba. Disgusting. Dio gained. Diavolo gained. Coldfish gained. Everybody gained. No pain, no gained. Diavolo use. Please kill Electrike with that. Wow, Wingull is pretty solid. I wonder, I think my bet of coming back, well, leaving isolation, lockdown, whatever the fuck we want to call it, of mid-May might not even be possible. It's gonna be like June now. I feel like it's gonna be June, since Jagat Foncé had to kind of hide. Wow, spectacular! Pretty sure it's gonna be like, I wouldn't. Shit, man, you're gonna. Okay, well, I would have to do that anyway. You wouldn't let me pause. Sorry, that's in my head. Yes, I'm trying to think when we're gonna leave isolate lockdown, and I can't see that before. I need to start using stuff from my bag. Iron raises the defense stat. Dio? I should have used it on Cause, because Cause is a more fragile one. Found one Cabos. What does that do? Speed. I'm gonna give some speed to Diavolo or Dio. I'm like KFC, I'm duping that chicken. With my Pokemon, I have traveled the world's four corners. You might say I have some confidence in my abilities. Okay, gentlemen, let's see how you can fare in front of me. Oh. Blaze Kick. For Manectric fainted, Dio gained. Dio grew to level 39. Goldfish gained some too. Well played. Your Pokemon progress is remarkable. Allow me to register you as a memento. Oh wow, you can tell he's a boomer. I should not be speaking. Will you play with my delightfully pretty Pokemon? Are you talking about your... Nope, don't go there, do you? I was talking to a friend earlier, and we were talking about the N-word, and I remember that I once was talking to a guy, and I was like, "Hey, how you doing, my wait, no, how you doing, my Nigerian friend?" And I was like, "Oh no, you come from Zimbabwe, right?" Yeah, it doesn't work. I am a terrible person. This isn't what I meant by, you just wanted me to fight your Pokemon. What do you mean, lady? It's nothing here. Yeah, we can't fight these two at once. My Pokemon have never tasted defeat, and then next win I'm entering them in contests. You can do contests in this game, beauty contests, or like Pokemon can have like different traits. Like they can be cute, they can be not rough, but like intimidating, and you can just give them Pokeblocks to raise these stats. I won't lie, I once did it when I was younger. I spent the time to do these, to get these. Do you get badges? You get like, you get something to say that you won this and this and that. Shift tree. Hopefully the paralysis won't be doing much. I was about to say paralyzation. Yeah, Goldfish is gonna level up, but I can't. Ooh, Crab Hammer, yes. Bubble Beam, Protect. I guess Knockoff can fuck off. 1, 2, when poof! Goldfish forgot Knockoff and Goldfish learned Crab Hammer. Goldfish, the STD Pokemon. You know, because he's got the crabs. He's not a crab, I know. It's quite a simple design, Goldfish, now that I think about it. Could be a real animal. I have this routine, defeat 5 trainers a day. Guess what? You're number 5. I'm not gonna be number 5 today, bitch. Forgot how you say bitch in Spanish. The things I learn, really. When you're paralyzed, why can't you go first? Why don't you keep going first? I'm just paralyzed, not slow. Stefan Hawking said the same. Vigoroth. Should I switch? Yeah, Vigoroth will be a bit too strong. Oh no, level 29. How can you be faster than me? Why would you waste a move like this on Vigoroth? No, yeah. No. Vigoroth is too strong to learn something like a pro, it's not useful. You're horrid. Am I now? You bitch ass pussy. That was total humiliation, I won't forget you. Hand over your Pokénav. That's how you get girls, boys. Shame them. Yeah, I think that's how people did before. Boomers did that, definitely. Shame people into marrying them. Thank you for waiting. We'll restore your Pokemon to full health. We hope to see you again. Ooh, what are you doing here? May, oh hey, ads, you're shopping too. I bought a whole bunch of dolls and posters. Of course, I've also caught a lot of Pokemon I'm raising from properly too. Actually, I'm more worried about if you're raising Pokemon properly ads. I'll battle with you. Can you just take time? Yes, I am a boomer. I got that. Okay, boomer. Yeah, it still works. I'll battle with you so you can show me your Pokemon ads. The Pokemon I raise won't be beaten by your Pokemon ads.
Okay, but your phone has to be unlocked for that.
I'm gonna lock you again, phone. Tropius. The extinct, no. Dead. Yeah, I'm super effective. Marshtomp. Yeah. Still didn't evolve, I see. I think that's the last time we battled May. I'm not wrong. Because we will battle Wally in the Victory Road cave, but we will not battle May again, I think. And Emerald makes so much more sense than Kanto. Kanto, like for example, you get the HM for Waterfall after you've beaten the Elite Four. So why? What's the point? Because there's not much. There's that four island. There's the Civvy Island thingy that you could. Why did I use Foresight? Slug my dick. Amnesia. Slugma forgot something. Forgot that its nickname is Slug my dick. I am a boomer, ain't I? If I was in community, I would definitely be PS. Fucking grandpa. There's nothing super effective against Ludicolo. So. At least she's got a Ludicolo. Ludicolo, the racial stereotype Pokemon. Blaze Kick! Another Blaze Kick! Player defeated Pokemon Trainer May. I remember the battle I had with you ads on Route 103. Oh, our very first one. The battle helped you become this strong ads, didn't it? So yeah, I'm pretty sure that's the last time we battled her. With how she's saying that. I'm thinking of going back to Little Root soon. I've caught a decent group of Pokemon and my Pokédex is coming along, so I'm going home to show my dad. Ads, what are you going to do? Collect all the gym badges and take the Pokemon League challenge? Well, while you're collecting badges, Ads, I'm going to work on my Pokédex. I'll complete it before you. You will. See you! You definitely will. Robert here. My Swablu has grown even more tough than last time. I'm not going to lose again to you. You wait till next time. For sure. This is what? Ah, the odd house. We all have a museum or something. All Pokemon versions have a museum. Should I go there and buy Earthquake? Welcome to Lily Cove Department Store. Which floor would you like to visit? I forgot. Does Japan use the same system as the US? Like the ground floor is the first floor for... Pretty fucking dumb. No. Is there anything else I can... Nope. How may I serve? Well... I just need to get the TM for Earthquake. I don't think I get it here either. Nope. Please come again. Can I finally get them? I don't think that's here either. Welcome, how may I serve you? Yes, it's here. Negates all damage but may fail. Prevent status abnormality, creates a wall of... Okay, that's defense stuff. I never use that. that's a good shit. A powerful fire attack that may burn the foe. Strikes the foe with Thunderbolt. So I guess this is Fire Blast. And I get... Whoa! Oh no, I can get 11, 18. Wow, I can get that many? No, I don't want that many. Gonna do with 3? I don't even know what I'm gonna do with 3, but... Thunderbolt. Again, 3? I'm gonna have time to make some money before the 84 and buy a lot of potions. That's Blizzard. Another 3 of these. There you go. Stop pressing B that much, Alaya. And that's... Okay, that's not that. That's still... I think that's Hyper Beam. Let me see if I can go on this upper... Stop mashing buttons. Let me go on the upper floor. I guess 4th? No, this seems like the cutesy stuff. Yeah, no, I don't want that. I want to buy Earthquake. I'm sad. Let's try and go all the way up. I'm all the way up. Yeah, all the way up is not where I want to do that. Because I want to get Earthquake for Diavolo. Earthquake is so effective. Welcome to Lyrical Department Store. Which floor would you like to... Okay, just which floor would you like? Should I teach? Let me see what I just got. So I got Roll, Bulk Up, Bullet Seed, Blizzard. That's what I just got. Is it worth teaching to Diavolo? Force of might as well take out that foresight, right? Diavolo and Blizzard. Yeah, that was Hyper Beam, but I got. I don't think I got a Pokemon that can... AC/DC can learn Thunderbolt, but I'm not gonna use you in my final team, so... Shockwave, Fire Blast... Okay, AC/DC can learn pretty much everything. Should the move be deleted and replaced with Fire Blast? Let's see what I can take out. Blaze Kick, Overheat, Quick Attack, Ember... Only got 5. Let's keep it. One shit's gonna get tough when we're gonna use it. Rock Tomb, Aerial Ace. Yeah, but where do I get Earthquake? With my memory. Hey, you don't go near the cave in the cove. Why don't you don't need to a reason. Why I'm an adult, so you just listen to me. Words are not coming on my mouth right now, are they? Let's go and see what they don't want me to go. See, whoa. Let's plunge into the bitch. Your internet is crap. 2 missed voice calls. Didn't hear it ring. What do you want with Team Aqua? Our boss isn't here. He's gone off to snatch something important. Where did he go? Do you really think I'd tell you something that crucial? What do you... Okay, you say the same thing. So you're so poor that you have to share a personality. Great. That is a great joke. If you... you find a bunch of basic people someday, you can just say, wow, you're so poor that you have to share a personality. Sad. Murder. Just plain murder. Also, I got the HM for fly. Maybe I should just get a Pokemon that can fly. In Kanto, one thing I can give them props for is that you got Charizard, which is the fire type. Pokemon, and sorry, it's also flying, so might as well. Until I get a Salamence. Yeah, but what is gonna... shit. Do I have an HM? Cut. Goldfish is the odd one out, but I don't think I'm gonna use cut. So, because it's better to have one with fly just so I can bounce when I'm done. I'm gonna have to go fucking far, and I don't want to like have to climb down. Booted up an HM, it contained teach fly to a Pokemon. Yes, only Tato. Do you think my ACDC could have learned that too? Since it could have everything. Yeah, focus energy. Thinking about it now, Gary in Gary or Blue in Fire Red. How come he beat the Elite Four with that team? They were really not compatible with whatever the fuck we have to go through. Doesn't make sense. It's just like plot convenience. With the Pokemon he had, there's no way he could have powered through them. Ah, Tentacool. The Rattata of the sea. I love the animation when he jumps off. I don't think we fight these people. Unlike in Kanto, when you go in the Pokemon Tower where everything died, and you literally battle the ladies working there. The disrespect. Okay, I can go there. Where do you lay, Chief? I'm just gonna go in. Oh my god, I wasn't checking the time. What are we gonna accomplish today? We're gonna go and solve this Team Aqua issue here. Found a TM48, skill swap. Let's put away a TM48. It's getting foggy over here. Did someone die? Horrible. Zinc is for SP defense, so I'm gonna give it to you. Just in case somebody's got any fire type move and you're just done. Whoa! What are you doing? What are you doing here? Ha! Too bad for you. If you came earlier, you only would have had to battle the wimpy Team Magma. But since you arrived now, you have to take us on. You have to take on us Duffies. Duffies. You're a Duffy, aren't you? Go Dio. I have to look this up. Wholesome moments when I'm thinking about something and I won't say what I'm thinking about, I'm just like, reflection. I wish you had Mega Drain, cause at least Mega Drain. Cause I can't even buy Giga Drain, it seems. No, those Team Magma goons got here ahead of us. We can't fall behind. You won't fall behind. I'm gonna beat all of you. Team Aqua Grunt would like to battle. Team Aqua Grunts are now Zubat. Blade, hopefully that does something. Well, it did sound like nothing. Cars became confused. That's alright. That's okay. Please. And it hurt itself in its confusion. My god, you were so close to just killing it. Yep. Please connect with his quick attack. And you're dead, Cos. You're dead to me. Wow. Please, Cos. Thank you. Imagine if it hurt itself in its confusion again. Big F. I thought you were one of the magmas who happened to come back. Do I look like one? You're in blue, they're in red, I'm in green. I'm clearly Idrigdira. You, we saw you at Mount Chimney. You don't belong to either team, so why would you be here? Like with you. Oh, I know, you tried to join Team Magma, but they wouldn't have you. Well, don't think that will let you join our Team Aqua. Why would I want to join a bunch of losers? Team Aqua Grunt and Team Aqua Grunt, yeah, why do I keep on reading these? They're all the same. So what, you're so poor that you have to share your personality? It's a good joke, should use it. No, you absorb. You don't do anything stupid like doing a quick attack. You're about to die. Well, that Wilmer had it in him. If you use an absorb or drain move on Tentacool or Tentacruel, Tentacool or Tentacruel. If you use it on one of them, what's gonna happen is that you're gonna absorb ooze. You get the prompt, it says you absorb ooze and you just suffer some damage because you absorb poison basically. Very well thought out, but usually the octopus has ink in his body. It's not poison, it's ink. I don't think that's edible, I'm just saying it shouldn't kill or hurt. Beach Corviknight dead. Yeah, full Corviknight, Beach Corviknight, that's the same. Wait, Pursuit actually. Ember for you. If you're going to mess with anyone, let it be Team Magma. If you want to join Team Aqua that badly, we can consider it. Got beaten so bad that you had to backtrack. Ooh, the Dilf. Team Magma's Maxi got ahead of us, but we also got what we wanted. A Red Orb Preserve at Mount Pyre. I, Archie, now have it in my possession. Now we can bring our ultimate objective to fruition. Okay, team, we're pulling out. Oh no, this cannot happen. Not only the blue orb, but even the red orb has been taken. The blue orb and red orb must never be separated. They belong together. What are those men trying to do with the two orbs? Oh yes, was it Team Magma who came and took the blue orb first? Well, in their haste, they left this behind. I couldn't imagine what exactly it would do. I would like you to have it. Perhaps it will be useful in some way. Obtain the Magma emblem. Let's put away the Magma emblem. The blue orb and red orb taken by the sinister men. They must never be a port. I fear something terrible will happen. Okay, lady, I'm gonna fly then. I got a badge. Where could I use that, possibly? I don't know. Let's go to Lava Ridge. Because you know it's magma, they're related to fire. Let's try and see next to a volcano if they're on there. Let's heal real quick. Hello and welcome to the Pokemon Center. Would you like to rest your Pokemon? Thank you for waiting. Switch with you, because the magma will use fire type Pokemon. 20 minutes left, let's see what we can do. Still don't think I'm gonna use Cut. So let's head back to the mountain, to the top of the mountain, where I belong, like king. Cable car is ready to go up, would you like to be on it? Please step this way. Okay. Ooh, what happened? Oh, this boulder is shaking in response to the magma emblem. Oh my god! Secret hideout? Let's see. Oh. Huge boulders. So cool. Should I fight it? Or should I keep my PP? I got 5, got it. Wasted. Serve that one, bitch. Walter could fainted. Goldfish gain. Goldfish grew to level 36. Oh yeah, I forgot about that one. I'm waiting for, I think, level 42 when it gets guillotine. It's a one-hit KO move. I think I said it in the previous episode, just that the previous episode was like 2 days ago and I forgot. It's a big boulder, but the Pokemon would be able to push it. Go, my Hyena. Lucky use strength. Da 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 da. Graveler. In Kanto, I particularly hated these because they can use explosion, which is the equivalent of self-destruct, and there are two things. For example, I'm using Golduck, so it's a water type but can also get psychic moves, so it's really good. It's the evolution of Psyduck, you know, the meme Pokemon. So our leader told us to dig into Mount Chimney, so we dug and dug, and you know, in the course of digging we came across something that blew our minds. What did we find? Foo ha 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 ha! I'll tell you if you beat me. Pretty sure you won't, sleazy. So what was I saying? Yes. Think about it. I'm gonna use Surf on one of the Gravelers, because my Psyduck, Golduck, also has strong special attack. What's gonna happen? It's not gonna kill it. It's gonna survive with 1 HP because the Graveler has a sturdy nature. So its nature makes it so that it will survive a one-hit KO move with 1 HP. Alright? My Golduck is still with full HP. Even they use another move, whatever, if they can even use Earthquake on my Golduck, it's not gonna die. That's for certain, it's not gonna die. But then the next turn comes, right? My Golduck is also faster than these Gravelers. The next turn comes, and the Graveler uses Explosion, and it does it before my attack, so it goes faster than I do to start with, which doesn't make sense. And while I still had pretty much all of my HP, I die, and it dies too, with its 1 fucking HP. I just hate these. Geodude, Graveler, and Gravelanche. way mistake. Voltorb too, mistakes of Pokemon. Voltorb, what a lazy design, a reverse Pokeball. Fuck Gen 1. Fuck Gen 1 so much that I had to get a victory bill in my team. Yeah, seems like we had to battle. Holy right there! You don't really expect me to keep my trap shut and let you waltz by. I didn't pay attention if the other dude told us what we found. 15 minutes. No. Waka waka. Waka waka. Oh, whoa, I concede. So much for having a mouth, is it? Whoa, what? Only the Magma members are supposed to be in here. But you're not dressed in the Magma's uniform. You rouse my suspicion. Battle with me. I'm not really a guy for uniforms, so I pretty much like being casual, you know? Dress for the job you want. Dress for your dream job. Don't come as Batman or something. For my Hienas, intimidate, cut Diavo's attack. It's fine, because I don't think you didn't cut my special attack, so. Ay ay ay. If you've watched JoJo, that sentence is priceless. My brother's a Team Magma member. Can you stop bumping into everything out there? Except battles. Oh, an intruder. Oh. Team Magma Grant would like to battle. They send out Baltoy. Go Diavolo. Yep, figured as much. No, can't take the number. Wako wako. I think I need sleep. I feel my eyes closing by the minute. Wow. Yeah, I don't think I'm the only one with fucked up sleep schedule now. Nobody knows when we should be asleep or awake. We just are. Aha, an intruder. The other one was oh. Is there a way to get to battle both of these? Okay, Surf is kind of running out now. Super. No, can't take it. Yeah, I'm really feeling my eyes becoming very heavy. Damn. Yeah, you can't see it, but I'm like, you know, when you shake your legs to keep yourself awake. Why am I such a boomer? I'm really not helping my case, am I? I don't even remember when I went to sleep. Wow, last time I went to sleep seems like so far ago. speed too. I remember so much and so little of this game because my memory is fantastic, isn't it? Oh, but I think I know where that is. I'm gonna use a repel. I'm gonna use one of these fucking things cause your whole internet went crazy. What is happening at your place? Why is your internet so bad? For once, mine is a bit stable right now. Do you have any ripples? Do you have a super? Two super ones. 200 steps. It's gonna be alright. Gonna take what I get. Oh, there's a battle towards this one. Dude, IDK, mighty. You don't need more of an explanation for that. When Team Magma has roll call, we get important guarding assignments in the order that we line up. That's why I'm stuck off in this corner. I'm always late to roll call. You're guarding, like, I hope that's the Tiempo earthquake. At least you will be guarding something important, else you're being wasted here. What am I cross? When I do awesome, I'm doing stop streaming Netflix. Wow! This is very bad. If you can't access... That's super freaking bad. Like, it's Netflix. Netflix doesn't really use that much bandwidth. So that because I usually watch it on the PS4, right? But like, the PS4 is also downloading stuff at the same time. To be fair, she still has ADSL. Okay, maybe that's why. If you still have ADSL, but you have Netflix, what the fuck? You're gonna hear tremors here sometimes. Could it be the volcano rattling, or is it growl? Whoops, no, never mind. I don't even remember what I just picked from that god who was guarding one Pokeball item. Wow, we just picked it up. Surprise myself with how forgetful I can be. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna complete this dungeon, if we can call it a dungeon, within 1 hour. Please, Diablo, just hit it. Yes, hit it at the back. Make that booty clap. Why am I singing that? A fiery battler. Even as far as you want to go, it's gonna get you. One of the guys was freaking out that he lost his magma emblem. Wait a minute, was it you who found it? I didn't found it. Somebody gave it to me. I just decided to visit. The door opened. That's a you issue, isn't it? Should stop using takedown because my life is already as well close-ish to half. I'm having trouble believing this. That's what I said too when I was 15. Oh my god, the elixir. What else can I use? Let's choose fling. Do I have a macho brace? Yes, I do. Can I give it to you already holding your... Everybody's holding something? Like the fuck? Might as well for that blizzard. Oh, I have another. Blizzard's PP increased. Now I got a big PP. Oh, I got more PP. Well, however you want to spin it. More PP to me. Double battle, double battle. I don't have a bone to pick with you. I'm just following orders. I can't stand heat. Maybe I should have joined Team Aqua instead. Wow. It's like, you know, in Iron Man 3, when Iron Man like infiltrates the Mandarin's base and he shot everyone, and then there's some one guy and he's like, I don't even want to be here. They're all crazy, man. Same energy. Yeah, you're cutting down his normal attack. As long as I use special ones, should be fine. Quick attack. Surf. Quick attack to weaken you, because you're not that weak to water. And surf just to be done with it. Rip and tear. And then it's... Wow! That wasn't expected. Team Magma Grunt and Team Magma Grunt may have lost, but yeah, I really may not be right for Team Magma because you're just trash. What is over here? Too bad the bag is full. Okay, I get it. Sorry, I'm not trying to go to a fucking house. What can I use? What can I use? Can I use these things? I guess I'm gonna give you some powder. I'm gonna cook you up. Should have bigger bags. Well, I guess. Look at that pouch he's got on his back. So, yeah, one quality of life improvement of later titles is that when you're done using a repel, whatever, you get the option of using another one straight away. If you have more in your bag, of course. She's 10 times better. Fight up ahead. Yes. What did I do to deserve this god posting? My left ear is burning up. I know these interactions. Like, you can see what they find it crazy what they're doing right now. Zubat. Diavolo. I don't remember the first season of Pokemon, but do you think the Zubat were like saying their names? Zubat. I am still on episode 13. It's a long way to go. I'm great with heat exhaustion. No, not great. I don't think it's a great. I am still on episode 13, so we have... I don't think it's ending this year. We join so we can help our leader achieve his fantastic vision. I don't care if you're with Team Aqua, if you're just some kid passing by. No one interferes with us and gets away with it. Pretty sure we're gonna get time to be out of lockdown before I end this series. Look, I'll show you if I get the gear. I'm gonna go super fast. I think. Maybe. Sorry about toy, but you're not gonna make it. You didn't make the cut. For Baltoy, indeed. Oh no, you're not to be trusted at all. Why not? Why not? Has found one nugget. At least that's not something new, so it can fit in the fucking bag. What do you lid? Should I go there? Should I just go there? No, I think that's the final part. Okay guys, it's gonna be a bit longer today. It might be an hour and 15 minutes. I hope my camera doesn't die. Cause shit, now I don't have any more. Just 2 steps. Great. Can't you see how happy I am? Sorry, you can't interact much with my internet. Hey, do not worry about this. I'm just like talking to everyone at once. I don't expect an answer from you. I'm just sharing whatever's going through my head. Like for once, it's as if I'm not talking to myself when there are people around. Even if they don't reply, they're around, so it's fine. I'm not so crazy. Just a bit, though. A lot. I'm still talking to myself right now. Yeah, thought as much. A PP max. Max PP. I understand everything our leader says, but you know what? Doing stuff like digging up a super ancient Pokemon and ripping off someone's meteorite, I think we're going a little too far. What do you think? And you still want to battle me. You see that you're doing the wrong thing and you still want to battle me. What's your fucking logic, my man? Team Magma Grunt would like to battle. Team Magma Grunts and our Magma. And don't worry, Jeremy, I'm not seeing any comments to moderate anyway, so. I love how the other day it was just my sister coming in to say, I hope you fucking lose. And I saw it on my screen, but I had to accept. I forgot what the term is, but you had to like, I kind of accept for it to go through. And then I saw Jeremy just let it come by. That was priceless. Thanks. At least I have less HP, so I get a reason to use some potions. Coldfish grew to level 37, so I'm gonna have to mash B so it doesn't evolve. Yeah, I think we're doing something wrong somehow. They are the best. Pokemon Emerald is the best, because everyone knows if we're doing something fucking wrong. Something fucking weird, rather. Coldfish is trying to evolve, and Adrien is mashing the B buttons just so we're done with this. I told you it's gonna be like level 42, and then we can consider it. A soda to make it pop. So you get a soda pop. Cringe. I was just about to say, please, no more Gravelers, I would have said, but Geodude, it's pretty much the same. So I don't know if I said that in the last video too, but someone did a statistic of a study, rather, not a study, it's Pokemon, they won't do a study about it. He compiled the numbers, the data, and he saw that Zubat is the worst Pokemon in the game. He's the most encountered Pokemon in the whole series, not the game, in every game. The thing is, in Kanto is the worst because there's a lot of caves in Kanto. You don't have that many in Johto. You have a few in Emerald, but it's not ludicrous. I want to see Groudon too, but hey, but they won't let me see even it still. It's gonna be feeling really frustrated. Oh no, I blabbed about Groudon. Team Magmas and our Baltoy. Do I have an ether? I should refill the PP for Surf. I have to, I'm on for free. Super effective. I guess it's impossible to win if one doesn't have a calm mind. True. But you were not talking about that just before, so it's pretty weird that you would mention it. Elixir, restore the PP of all moves by 10. No. Will you restore the PP of a selected move? No. Like, you're giving me just too much right now. Dude, can you fuck off? It's fine, I can just not refill Surf because I have Muddy Water, which is just Surf with 5 more damage. We're getting close. Soon, very soon, our ground objective will be achieved. You're not finished yet. You're not getting by me easily. Not finished yet, but you will be soon. Very soon. Yeah, you're the same person. Are you so poor you have to share your personality? Really? I was thinking about it though, yeah. Nothing beats the feeling of playing a Pokemon game on a GBA. Nothing. Dio grew to level 40. Great. You're close to a midlife crisis. Grr, I've come so far and got so far in the end. No, very bad execution. Guys, could you please let me walk? Ha ha ha, you made it this far, so I'll tell you, that's right. Up ahead, Groudon is asleep. Maxie went to Groudon just seconds ago. It's going to awaken real soon. Ha 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 ha. Couldn't you just put the head all together? Magma admin Tabitha would like to battle. Wacko wacko. We sound out wacko wacko. It's super effective. Please be on the Pokemon. There wasn't. Had to have a mic in. If you have to had 4 for these. Cause I don't know when my camera's gonna die either. Like I recorded the next video yesterday with it. It was only like 20 minutes. Still that. I need to get a new camera too. Yeah, I really do need to get a new camera. Camera should be good with only one muddy water. Bad design for camera, but I like it. Camerupt or Camerupt? I Camerupt. I got issues. Player defeated admin Tabitha, taken down again. Oh, I beat you in the boss? Did I? I don't even know who you were. Said Thanos. Soda pop to make it pop. I was gonna end it now, but it was so close to the end of this dungeon, if we can call it dungeon. Found one max revive. Hopefully we don't have to use it. Ever. Means that we never die. While Geodude appeared. Maxie, what are you doing here in front of this grey Pokemon? Groudon, nothing could awaken you from your sleep bathed in magma. This blue orb is what you sought, wasn't it? I brought you the blue orb. Let it shine, awaken you, and show me. Show me the full extent of your power. Ooh, climax. Groudon, what's wrong? Wasn't the blue orb the key? Groudon, where have you gone? Oh, so it was you. I've seen you poking around and invited here and there. I get it now. You must have pulled a cheap stunt. As if. Double views. Jeremy, I need one. After what you just sent me, I need one. Stop, you need to buy the PS5. But I want it now. Also, that's a bro moment. Not bro moment. Priceless. You're brilliant, Jeremy. But after seeing that, I'm just like, I want one so bad. Imagine I could just use that like when I think that's another reason why I hardly sleep. I leave the TV on, and you have a light of a TV hitting on my face, so that's pretty bad, isn't it? And please don't hit yourself. Good. No? Wait. Shit. Great. Yeah, I got that light shining on my face, and that's pretty bad. If I got I do have my phone, but oh my god, and you're now gonna escape that one. I do have my phone, but it's still like the phone is more. I don't know, but it's perfect. Did you get to download your Animal Crossing, by the way? Crossing. Why did my speed fall too? Why am I trying to use something that a waste of electricity? Power consumption. It is a waste of electricity, actually. But there's one thing with my TV, eco something something. For example, when there's a power cut, it will still be on the LED saying that it's got power. Animal Crossing and Zelda are downloaded. Get to it, man. Start with Animal Crossing. Zelda is something like you have to give yourself time to get into it. But I think Animal Crossing is perfect. Didn't play it yet, never played it, but I just saw people play it and I'm like, I think it's perfect. Shit. I'm not gonna survive that, am I? Shit. Let's try. Oh, great. Use a spare potion. Ooh, bitch. We're not expecting that, were you? Let's go, Kamrut. I don't even remember what I was saying. Yeah, that's a waste of electricity when I leave this TV, because the TV is on plus a PS4, right? So that's a lot of power going down the drain. And the laptop, which is always staying plugged in. The laptop is basically a desktop PC here. My laptop, at least. Oh, we beat him. Thanks, fuck. What makes you so adept at handling Pokemon? Hands. That's weird, I don't fondle Pokemon. There has to be some reason why Groudon fled. That's what you're trying to say, aren't you? Huh. You think I didn't know that? With Groudon gone, there's no longer any need for this blasted volcano. I'm going after Groudon, so this is where we port. So this is here, I'm gonna... Can we actually just leave? On one escape rope. But if you get a Pokemon with Dig, you could just leave right now, but... Can I... Okay, I can't just leave. I have to do all that. Ah, there's a shortcut. Where am I? Where am I? What the fuck? I got lost. Where am I? I'm perplexed right now. I'm just like, what the fuck am I doing here? Is it some pause that I didn't... I've been here, haven't I? Yeah. There's nothing left for me to pick here. Where's the escape rope? I'm just gonna fuck off from here. Let's use the escape rope. Thanks, fuck. Now we're gonna fly to somewhere nobody will like come and talk to us. Lava Ridge. because I don't think there's anything important happening afterwards. And while we're going inside, that's where I'm gonna bid you farewell. Farewell. Whoa. I'm gonna see you tomorrow, hopefully. I should stop saying that because it doesn't mean I'm gonna actually see you. Stay safe. I won't stop saying it, I guess. There's a video tomorrow that comes out again. It's gonna be talking about Corona and a bit more about the... It's literally named How You Doing. You're gonna get it. But peace and a big deal from me. Wait, that's not how I do it usually. I usually fun and joke, but I don't have anything right now. So, no, just watch my stream, okay? I'll see you. And stream now. Yo.